What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a new pickup. Got the new Note 10. I just picked it up after work. I'm a little late, but here it is. Just gonna unbox it, show you what it looked like, things like that. Let's get into it. On the outside, you got the model number, UPC, everything like that. My order number, pickup date, my name, phone. This is unlocked from Best Buy. Usually I do T-Mobile pre-order and get it 3 days early, 2 days early, but I didn't go that route this time. Best Buy had better deals, if that makes sense. So go ahead and get this, open this box. Of course, inside it says Samsung. Oh, check that. I think they switched that. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. Usually this part with your eject key. Let's see what else is in there. I think that's it. Yeah, just your eject key and your information about the phone. Usually this part is under the phone, but they moved it to the top of the box. Get to the phone. Now it looks, oh, it comes with a screen protector on there, so therefore you save $5 right there. As you can see, it has one camera, one lens in the front. Now the color that I got is, I think it's called Aurora or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but as you can see, glitter glam is what I call it. Unicorn, fairy cakes, whatever you want to say. And I got it just for that specific reason. Now, I did buy screen protectors for the front and back, and as you see, the front comes with one and the back semi has one. It's covering most parts of the phone, and it has that square cutout where the UPC usually is, but I'm still gonna replace that. See, we got 1, 2, we got 3 cameras on the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. 1, 2, 3. 2 flashes, and I guess that's your finger reader right there. On top, this is where your SIM card and your SD card goes. On the bottom, we got your S Pen. See, it's that beautiful blue color. Then pop it, your charging port. There's no headphone jack. Your headphones go into the charging port. Now let's go ahead and look into this box. Again, they changed this. Usually this part is right here and you take that out. Now it's in the top of the box and you just pop it down. It's been coming with AKG headphones, which are pretty good. Yeah, you can't read this, but this is a super fast charger. Give you 50% battery in 30 minutes, or full charge in an hour, or 30 minutes or something like that. I'll find out and see how that goes. This is for transferring data. One side is USB type A, the other side is a type C for old school transfers from the computer. That's to plug your cord type A into the back of this type C and then put it to your phone. And then let's see what else is inside here. I usually don't mess with none of this stuff. I just leave it in the box, resell it to someone. They'll pay you $50 for your box or whatever, because they resell phones. Okay, this is it's real small. You can see there's a black and a white, and then this clip. So what this is, I'm trying to get my S Pen out. Of course, the S Pen is still Bluetooth and is remodeled, and I have this fancy color here, fancy color S Pen to go with this fancy color phone, which is perfect. And on the front of the box, you can see, that's how you know it's the glitter cupcake unicorn kind that I have, because the tip is white, the pen is blue. It's just like that. Now back to this little piece right here. It's like a clamp. Put it in. There's a groove in the tip of your pen. You put it, clip it, pull it out. Then there's two other sizes inside here that you can replace your S Pen tip with. I guess for better drawing as far as different sizes and things like that, which can come in handy. And of course you got your Type-C USB cord and your AKG earbuds that plug into your charging port on your phone. Now, I just got the phone, I haven't messed with it, but I'll go ahead and turn it on. Let's see how this display is on here. I haven't set nothing up. That's going to be in the next video. Oh, I just noticed that. I'm always a note person. So, power, volume button, power button. Power button is on the left. Usually the power button is on the right of the phone, and this button that's under the volume button is the Bixby button. So I'm guessing they done away with the Bixby button for a reason. It has something to do on the phone. Just let that load up so y'all can see the brightness of the display screen. Then I'm gonna go ahead and end this video so I can set this phone up and get ready to go.
Help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, so while you're on the phone, I'll go ahead.
Terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can
agree to everything.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network. As
you see, Bixby's walking you through everything, or whatever you want to call her. I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi if I can remember the password. If it don't work, then oh well. I'll just end the video. There we go. It's connected. Go to the next. Checking for updates. There should be no updates since the phone just came out. At least for a software update, there shouldn't be. Just load the phone, let it do its thing. There we go. Here we go. I'm gonna skip all this just so I can get to the screen. Accept. Not now. Skip. It's setting everything up.
Into a Samsung account to get
skip my Samsung account.
All right, we're all set.
Here we go. Click finish. And there we go. Again, this is an unlocked version of the Galaxy Note 10 I just picked up from Best Buy. Don't come with that many apps installed on there. Let's check out the camera. Can you see? Yeah, it's pretty clear. Really clear. What about the reverse camera? That front. Pretty clear as well. It's a little blurry because there's something on there. And it has that screen protector. But that camera's pretty clear. Make a movie on there. Exit out of there. So yeah. Oh, Bixby, but of course there's no button unless you tap it. Nope. Doesn't work. But yeah, Galaxy Note 10. Just picked this up from Best Buy. Next video coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.